Just add the toleration so the pod has permission. That's what the toleration thing, right? You apply, pod is running, done. Let me just confirm where it's land. That's not where I want to put it. Where is the track? A toleration and the node placement feel like the same thing. They are not. A taint is the node saying stay away unless you have a pass. A toleration is that pass, but a pass only get you through the door. It doesn't send you to that door. So the scheduler see your pod is now allowed on the tainted node and also allow on every other node. You make it eligible, you didn't make it land. A toleration is not a track. A toleration is a permission to stay, not a reason to go. And on the exam, you can burn 5 minutes here. Clock is ticking, sweating the toleration is correct. It is. It's just not the whole job. Let's do the way the question actually asked. First, the taint, one line. And because of that, no schedule keyword, no normal pod schedule here. Then let's create a pod. You don't need to hand write toleration from the memory. Now open it. Add the toleration block. Key permission, value granted. Effect, no schedule. Operator, equal. All four match the taint. That is the part of the question spotlight. Save it. Apply to it. Let's check the pod. The pod is running. Look correct to me. Let's move on. So did it land where I need it? Here's the command. The toleration is correct. The pod is healthy. And the node columns say node 01. Okay, not node 2. The pod I just built, it went somewhere else entirely. Everything I was told to do I did, and it's on the wrong node. And here's the trap. There's no error, nothing crashed. The pod is running, it's healthy, every command work. It just quietly did the wrong thing. Nothing tell you it's wrong. You have to know to check where it landed. Let's talk about this. Is the toleration correct? Yes. Key, value, effect, all match the thing. Did the pod schedule? Yes, it's running. So why not on node 2? Because toleration only answer one thing. Am I allowed to pass the thing? It does not answer where should I go. The scheduler saw the pod, was now eligible for node 2, but also still eligible for node 1, which has no thing at all. With nothing actively pulling it toward node 2, it just picked the easy, untainted node. The permission was granted. The tanky literally said so, and it was true. Permission just isn't a destination. That is your missing placement. Here's the part I want you to remember. Permission and placement are two different jobs. So you need to add a second field inside the same pod YAML file. One line, nodeName, 2. So the toleration get it past the tank. nodeName tells where to go. Now apply it and run the command and check again. Look at the node column. Node 2. Pending. Now remember this, 2 fields, 2 jobs, toleration to be allowed, nodeName to actually land. Miss either one and you are back on the wrong node. Now the nodeName is the belong to. It ping one exact machine and skip the scheduler entirely. But on the exam, the belong is good. It's one line, nothing to look up, nothing to mistake. They are softer too. nodeSelector pull the pod to any node with a label, zone restrictive. But now you have got to find or create that label. So that's extra step. And the node affinity add the prefer, don't require, enrich matching. But under a clock, that long nested block is exactly where people burn time and fat finger the indentation. So here's the rule that actually matter on the exam day. Use the simplest thing the question allow. Name the node, nodeName. Ask for a label, nodeSelector. Only reach for affinity when the question literally asks for a prefer or soft rules, because that's the only time it's worth the typing. Don't go play and answer, the clock is grading. A toleration only unlocks the node. You still need something to steer the pod there. Just reach for the lightest tool that lands it. Tolerate, then target. And look, every video here is one of this. A thing that looks correct, pass, and quietly does the wrong thing anyway. If you rather miss the next one on Thursday than on the exam day, subscribe. Call it the one piece of the placement. The toleration is mutual. You just have to land here. A taint that repel, a toleration only permit. It never places, and nodeName, nodeSelector, or affinity is what actually landed the board. Tolerate, then target. That's it. See you next one.